For convex and concave mirror, there are three rays which are standard rays. Let me explain you those rays. So this is the principal axis. This is the concave mirror. And let me draw the first particular ray. So this is P, this is F, and this is center of curvature. So I'm using one particular color for one type of ray. So this is a ray which is traveling parallel to the principal axis. This ray reflects and passes through the focus. So this is the one of the rays. Another type of ray is a ray which passes through the focus and after reflecting goes parallel to the principal axis. So this is the second ray. And third ray is a ray that passes through the center of curvature. The ray which passes through the center of curvature will come back. Okay, so these are the three rays which are called as the three independent rays for concave mirror. Now we will see for convex mirror. Okay, this is the convex mirror. Any questions for this?
No, sir.
Okay. Again, I will use the same colors.
So, but
Yeah.
why do we have three rays? Oh, so this is just a general diagram.
Yeah, this is a general diagram. I've drawn a different color because for you to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now over here, this ray will diverge. Okay, this ray will diverge such that it appears to have been starting from the focus. Okay, so that's why this is dotted. So this is the first one. The second one, I have used a blue color in this. So this is a ray which is directed towards the focus. Again, it can't go behind. So I will be drawing that dotted. Okay. So when a ray is going towards the focus, is directed towards the focus, after reflection, it goes parallel to the principal axis. So the same thing is happening on the left also.
Yes,
And
sir.
then we have the third one. Okay, the third diagram is the one which is directed along the center
It
of
appears to come from C. Okay.
So this is again dotted. So that particular ray will come back.
So
students, yeah.
Out of these three, we can draw any two in the exam.
Any two is required to complete the diagram to get the image, but these are called as three independent rays. Yeah.
So out of these three only we will have to draw any two now.
So to create an image, always you will have to use any one of them, any two of them. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll clear this.
So there won't be any fourth image now, fourth ray coming. Only out of these three positions.
You don't need any other ray. Minimum two are required. Okay. To draw the ray diagrams. So you don't need more than that. Okay. So the kind of ray diagrams that we have drawn earlier. Okay. So all these ray diagrams you will see, you need a minimum of two rays to form an image. Right. What we are going to discuss today is these rays where they have given you, incomplete diagram, and you have been asked to complete the diagram by showing where this ray will go after reflection. Okay. So the first one is easy. It is a concave mirror. The ray is passing through the focus. So the ray will go parallel to the principal axis. This is pretty simple. The second one also, it's parallel to the principal axis. So it will go passing through the focus. Okay, of course, if you wish to find an image for this, then you can draw another ray, and wherever they meet, that will be the point where the image will be formed. Okay, so this is clear. Then for the another set of rays over here now, figure number 3 and 4. Anyone would like to tell me how will the third figure ray go? This is a convex mirror. I just showed you. This is one of the yeah.
So from F it will go till P dotted and then will go up like that. Yes,
Okay.
that will be
Yeah.
dotted.
Very good. So this will be dotted earlier, like this one. Okay. Anyone else would like to answer for the fourth one? That is also one of the independent rays. The ray is directed towards the focus of a convex mirror. How will this ray proceed after reflection? Okay. In a concave mirror, if the ray would have passed through the focus, how will this ray go ahead in a concave mirror? Can one of you answer this?
So could you repeat the question?
The question is how will this ray go ahead?
So it'll go parallel to the principal axis.
Yeah, the ray will go parallel to the principal axis. Correct. Okay,
It's
so
compulsory for all rays to pass through the focal.
no, yeah, compulsory as in this is a property of the ray, that if it is a concave mirror and it passes through the focus, then after reflection will go parallel.
So
And
then
for
every time, how do we get different positions of the image?
No, the point is that no matter where the object is, okay, that's a good question. I'll show you this one. Okay, so now see this, Ashi. Here, this is an object which is beyond C. Again, if you see, this is the ray passing through the focus, goes parallel, but the image is formed over here because the other ray, which is meeting that ray here, that is between C and F. But when the object is over here, again, this ray will show the same property, go parallel. But if you look at this ray, it is meeting that ray over here, which is beyond C. So
how
the
does
image,
that happen?
no, isn't it following the same property that a ray parallel to the principal axis goes through the focus, rays parallel to the principal axis goes through the focus, rays passing through the focus go parallel, ray passing through the focus go parallel. So they are behaving in the same manner. What is changed is where the object is. Now compared to a spherical mirror, if the position of the object varies, the image, the point where the image is formed will change. Like in this case, the object is between focus and the pole. The image is formed over here. But still, if you see, the behavior is same. Parallel to the principal axis, passes through the focus.
Okay,
So the position of the object is changing. Do you follow that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so we have done the third and the fourth. Now we'll do the fifth figure. Anyone would like to answer? How will the fifth ray go? A ray which passes through the center of curvature.
Like it'll reflect at the same position.
Yeah.
Same way.
Very good. What about this ray? Isn't it the similar one?
Yes, sir. It'll reflect same.
It will also reflect back. Good. What about this one?
So it'll go on the principal axis.
this is not an independent ray. Okay, it is just striking the pole. So students, where will it go? You know, it will go like this. How do I know?
So,
This
so
is,
the incident ray is
yeah,
equal to the reflected.
incident angle, and this is angle of reflection. So you have to draw it. You have to just, if you want to measure with a protractor, you can do that. Otherwise, approximately you will draw this. Okay, fine. Now, what about this one, the seventh one? In the seventh one, both are both are non-independent. Okay.
So in the seventh one, the upper ray will go parallel to the principal axis.
No, no,
So will it pass through the focus length?
no. It will pass through what you said?
So focal length
No,
or center of curvature?
no, no. Okay, I want you to have a look at this image over here. So what I've given you in this is, ray number 1 and 2. I have not given you the third and the most important ray that will help you to draw the diagram. Okay, so I will show you how this works. So let me take you back to this. So I'm going to draw a ray.
So, but in the second ray, it will be like the same, like angle will be the same angle of
Yeah, angle will be same. Yeah, that is
so
true.
it will
But
just get reflected back.
how will you know where the first ray will go?
Yeah, so I don't know.
Second you can measure. Okay, but how will you know where the first ray will go? So now students, pay attention over here. What we will do, we'll draw a line. Now we have to do this in a trial and error method. Okay, this is not well. Okay, tell me whether you are satisfied. Are these three lines parallel?
Yes.
Yes, so.
Okay, they are parallel. Now, understand this. I'm going to draw a line like this. So this line is called as a focal plane. Okay, this is a dotted one. I'm going to make dotted. Okay, so what is this? This is called as the focal plane. Now look at the third ray, everyone. The third ray is the one which is passing through the focus. So we know that it will pass, it will go parallel to the principal axis. Now this point meets the focal plane over here. So that is where the image will be formed. Is this clear so far?
Yes, so.
So this particular ray will pass through that point. This particular ray will also pass through that point. So that is how, that is what is here. Okay, fine.
Yes,
So
so.
the exam, if they ask us that thing, so we have to draw the third ray now first.
Yeah, you will need that because the first two rays are non-independent ray. Okay, the last diagram is pretty straightforward. This is going to come back because it is directed along this,
And so
and
it's going to be
this angle is equal.
so it will
So
be just reflected
yeah,
back.
right.
So we have to measure these angles always.
As I said, if you are keen to do it more accurately, you can do it. Otherwise, approximate is fine. When you place the scale and draw the angle.